What's up, guys? Today we're going to be doing a quick tune-up on this 2015 Ford Focus. This is the car, and I got my 4 iridium spark plugs from Motorcraft. Alright, the tools you're going to need is, of course, a wrench or a ratchet. I got my little power tool right here. You're going to need an extension and an 8mm. First, we're going to loosen up these coil bolts right here, coil screws. Oh, actually, let's disconnect this first. You see these little tabs, pull these back. And then let's unplug one at a time. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Our next step is going to be to loosen up the screws with an 8mm. So let me get this going. I'll break all of them loose real quick. There we go. And just take these out. Alright, so put them somewhere you won't lose them. Now all we gotta do is just pull this coil out. Comes out just like that. Put them to the side. Now it's a good chance to inspect them. Make sure they're all good. 3 and 4. Inspect your plugs. Make sure there's no oil dripping in there. Alright, should be good. Now, let's get our spark plug socket, which is this one. It's a 5/8. Put it in the extension, and let's get these out. All right, so with this, we're gonna break them loose first. All right, break these loose first by hand. Break these loose by hand. Now we can try to. So once we loosen up the spark plugs, we get a little magnet. We get our spark plugs out. Most of the time they'll be hot. As you can see, this is what the old ones look like, and I'm going to show you what they're supposed to look like. Take one of these out. Open this up. Look at the big difference. Check that out. So we're going to put these back in and then tighten everything back up, and we should be done with our tune-up. Here we go. We should always start them up by hand. I'm going to drop this in there. There we go. And then, like I said, start them off by hand. Just to make sure that they don't get cross-threaded. Alright, so once all these spark plugs are in here, I'm going to tighten it up. There we go. Tighten this one up. Just until it stops. Tighten this one up. There we go. Tighten this one up. I said after you're tightening it up, at the last one, once they stop, you have to do like a little quarter turn to make sure they don't come loose, all right? And then we're gonna put our coils back together, put the screws back on, plugging them up, and we should be good. So here we go. All right, and there you go. Once everything's tightened up and you plug everything in, you are done with your tune-up. So that's exactly how you replace the spark plugs and do a quick tune-up on a 2015 Ford Focus. Thank you for watching. Have a good one.